constant encounter with God redirects us on the correct path. Alam ko maraming makaka-relate dito. Meron ba dito na feel nyo na parang naliligaw kayo? Meron ba kayong feeling na parang trap na kayo or parang nai-stuck kayo sa endless cycle? Na parang paulit-ulit na lang gigising ka na lang, ito na naman, pasok na naman ako, uwi na naman ako. Kasi sa buhay natin nangyayari talaga yan. Lalo na kapag wala tayong direction, wala kang meaningful na direction sa buhay. At alam ko po, lahat tayo dumaan doon, regardless of age. Naniwala ko may ganung cycle kasi ganun ka-importante yung direction. A constant encounter with God gives us the confidence on where we should walk. He confirms what we have in our hearts and give us the confidence to progress. Marami kasi natatakot sa atin na mag-step up, na parang umalis sa comfort zone natin. Pero yung constant encounter with God, He confirms what we have in our hearts, yan. Tapos binibigyan niya tayo ng confidence to progress, to step up, to move forward. I-give up, talino natin, yung ego, yan, human ego. Yan naman lagi ang kalaban ni Lord, yung human ego, na i-give up yun. Kung naliligaw tayo, if you want a direction in life, you need to encounter our God, you need to encounter our Lord. Kasi si Lord, He gives us redirection through constant encounter. Si Lord nagre-redirect sa buhay natin.